Welcome to our igloo. I always wanted to live somewhere fun and relaxed, while also being surrounded by other students. As someone new to Brisbane, Igloo has been the best place to meet people and make new friends. It's really helped me focus on my studies, whilst having fun.
I love the size of the rooms, which are fully furnished, spacious, and the perfect balance of social and independence. It allows all of us to be ourselves.
Uni is so close. If I have a class in the morning, I could wake up 5 minutes before the lecture. The city is only 5 minutes away, and the bus stop is right outside, which makes it so easy. There's also so many cool local cafes, restaurants, and bars nearby. And Urban Village is just outside our door.
Living at Igloo means we also get to spend time out and about in the community. The staff keep you connected to events and activities happening around Brisbane. Igloo really does have something for everyone.
The student leaders and staff are always happy to help us out, like if you happen to lose or forget something.
Igloo also encourages a healthy lifestyle and cares about our well-being. From the free fruit at the reception to knowing every single person's name, the staff here understand what it's like to be a student.
Living at Igloo has allowed me to develop my sense of independence. I'm surrounded by great people and have access to more opportunities. So come join the family. It's more than just a cool place to live.